Belated Happy New Year, stargazers. Welcome to 2025, a year of full cosmic wonders just waiting to be explored. January kicks off with celestial lineup you won't want to miss. From a rare planetary conjunction to one of the most dazzling meteor showers of the year, the night skies are rolling out their red carpet for all of us. Are you curious to know what's happening when and how you can watch these awe-inspiring events? Stick around because we are diving into all the details. And hey, if you're as excited about the space as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you won't miss out with the latest updates. Also follow us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned down in the description below. Make sure to check out. Alright, now let's blast off the January's astronomical adventures. January already began with the Quadrantids meteor shower. This was one of the year's most vibrant meteor showers, known for its bright fireballs. It had peaked on the night of the January 3rd and into the early hours of January 4th. Under clear skies, you could see up to 40 meteors per hour. To catch the best view, find a dark spot away from the city lights after the midnight and let your eyes adjust. Meteors had radiated from the constellation Bootes, but could appear anywhere in the sky. I have mentioned some interesting stargazing apps in the description to help you locate the celestial objects easily. Don't forget to check them out. On this day, the Earth had reached its closest point to the Sun, also known as perihelion. It will be around 3 million kilometers closer than the average distance to the Sun. You will get to see a brilliant planetary parade along with the Moon on this day. All planets except Mercury will be aligned in the night sky at the same time, forming a beautiful planetary alignment. You can even easily spot the naked eye planets Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. The planet Venus will reach its greatest eastern elongation of 47.2 degrees from the Sun. This is the best time to view Venus since it will be at its highest point above the horizon in the evening sky. Look for the bright planet in the western sky after sunset in the constellation of Aquarius. Next, mark your calendars for January 12th. Venus and Saturn will come together in a spectacular planetary conjunction. These two bright planets will appear incredibly close in the evening sky, creating a jaw-dropping sight through the binoculars or even the naked eye. The best time to spot this celestial pairing is shortly after sunset, low on the southwestern horizon in the constellation of Aquarius. Next up is the full moon day on 13th January, also known as the Wolf Moon. This is the best time to observe and admire the moon's beauty. The red planet will be at its closest approach to the Earth and its face will be completely illuminated by the sun. It will be brighter than at any other time of the year and will be visible all the night long. This is the best time to view and photograph Mars. A medium-sized telescope will allow you to see some of the dark details on the planet's orange surface. The moon will be located on the same side of the Earth as the sun and will not be visible in the night sky. So this is the best time of the month to observe faint objects such as the galaxies and the star clusters because there is no moonlight to interfere. And there you have it, a packed month of celestial delights to kickstart 2025. Which event are you most excited about? Like this video and let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on what's happening in the night skies. Meanwhile, watch these videos in the suggestions. I'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Until the next time, keep looking up and enjoy the wonders of the universe. Clear skies, everyone.